Hi everybody, it's Generic Fun 95, and I want to show you something that I found on the day I moved into this rental house. I've noticed that this thing has been stuck to this tree for whatever reason, and I really have no idea what it is. It could be a laundry holder. They connect a line from up there and they connect it all the way over here, and it was holding it on. I honestly don't know what it was for or how it got in that tree, or I really don't know. I don't know what it is or how it got here or anything. Also, I want you to tell me in the comments what you think it might have been used for, because I really don't know here. I can see that someone broke this part off, because I heard there was originally a hook here. And then when the play fort was still here, some kid went on the swing, connected it to here, and it broke and he hurt himself. The poor kid. But there was a hook on here for whatever reason. I really don't know what it's for, and it's been jammed in this tree somehow. The tree ate it up. Here's the other end. So what do you think this was used for? Let me know.